welcome back to my channel. So today it is actually Sunday and it is 9:20 a.m. So today we are having a little reset vlogs, just resetting all the systems, planning, etc. So for context, basically I am in a little slump. It has been a few days and I really need to get out of it. So that's why I'm filming this video, and this video will also, I hope, will give you motivation to get out of your slump too, and also some ideas. So this is actually after the vacation. I hope you saw the vacation vlogs. If you didn't, these are the ones. I'll link them in the description. You should definitely check those out. They are super fun. So yes, this is after the vacation and my schools have actually started, but I still have to get into school spirit, the work spirit, the productivity spirit. So that's why we are having a little reset, and what better time to have one than Sunday. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first thing, I think I should just show you guys my last read, current read and next read, because obviously I'm going to show you guys a lot of hobbies in this vlog. So just why not start with my most favorite one. Actually, I cannot call it my most favorite one because all of them are very dear to my heart. So yes, let me just show you my last read, current read and next read. Let me get the books straight. I'm trying to hide them. Oh no, you're still going to be visible. Wait, let me just come close. You won't be able to. So my last read, I last read Powerless by Lauren Roberts. Let me just put it like this. Yes, I read this book and gave it 5 stars, guys. It is so amazing. But this is not a book video, so I'm not going to talk about it. There are book videos coming. Okay, so my current read is Powerful by the same author. And I know its ending is going to be super heart-wrenching. So let's see how that goes. Because I have not yet reached the ending. My next read will probably going to be this one, though I'm not 100% sure. It is Reckless. I hope you can see. Yes. So basically, you would notice a pattern in me that I like to finish a series as soon as I buy it. Like, I would buy the whole series, finish it like back to back, then only buy another one. Okay, so let's get into some work. First thing we need to do for the reset vlog is create a to-do list, because I think that the best way to be productive is to know exactly what you need to get done. So what better way than to have a little to-do list with you. This is my little workspace. It is quite colorful, as you can see. I use Notion, by the way, to create to-do lists and plan my stuff. Okay, so we have finished making the to-do list. And honestly, it's so long, guys. I am a bit scared. We are going to finish all these things so that we can set ourselves up for the next week that is coming. Yeah, I think I should get into some of these things. Okay, guys, so first off, please don't mind the fan noises because it's so hot in India right now. Back to the work. First thing I'm going to do is content planning. If you don't know what that is, it means that basically the video you are seeing right now, it was filmed a lot of time ago, something like that. So I need to plan when to post what content and when to upload what content, when to edit it, when to film it, all of that. That's why I'm going to plan all of the content that's going to come out. I have my laptop here with me, and of course I'm going to use Notion for it too, because they are not sponsored it, but still I just like to use it. And I won't be able to show it to you guys because I don't want to give you guys any spoilers. So yeah, let me just sit there and plan it for I would usually plan it for around a month, that what would come when. Basically for the last 3 weeks you were just seeing all my travel vlogs. So now that those are done, I need to plan out what I need to film next, to post next. to keep you guys entertained. So yes, let's go. I think we're not able to see the laptop. Yes. Yeah, let's plan it. It is about 11:16 right now, and I've just showered, as you can see, and washed my hair because it is Sunday and Sunday means a hair care day. So far, we have only managed to tick off 2 tasks of our list. So I think we need to get in and just buckle up and quickly finish all because we have a lot of things to do today. Yeah, let's get to doing, and I think right now I would just pick up my science notes because I really have to make them because I procrastinated a lot on them. Let's start that process. Okay guys, so I have studied for some time and now all of that study, all of that work calls for some relaxation time. I'm just gonna read a little bit, and yeah, I'm currently reading Powerful by Lauren Roberts. So yeah, we're going to just continue reading a little bit. I'm just gonna read a few pages. Yeah, then I'll probably get to some working because we still have a lot of work to finish. So let's go. Okay guys, so it is much later. It is 6:20 p.m. right now. Basically after reading I had lunch and I was so tired like this whole week. I was actually so tired that I just fell asleep. Like I took a nap. It wasn't short, but yeah, I took a nap and now I feel fully awake after the nap. So I thought that why not continue just checking all those check boxes off of the to-do list. So yeah, that's what we are going to do now. But I think that rest does count in productivity, like when you need it. So don't be afraid to take it. Like don't feel bad for taking rest when you need it, because sometimes stopping, pausing, taking some time, that is everything you need. Rest is productivity. So now we are going to just continue with our to-do list. Okay guys, so a little change in place. So the first thing I'm going to do after my long nap is write. To be honest, I am in a writer's block right now, which is not a good thing because I've not been able to write even a single word in so many weeks. I mean, it's only been like 2 weeks, but still, it is actually frustrating because whenever I sit down to write, it feels like no words come out of me. So that's why today we need to change that, because if I'm going to continue that, then this project, it's not going anywhere if I'm not going to write it, right? So basically, I am on the first draft of it, and I'm just here. My laptop is there. So basically, I'm on the first draft of it, and I really need to finish it, right, so that I can get to editing and then all the other processes. But yeah, the writer's block is getting a little out of hand. Like first, I thought it was just going to be for like a few days. like 2 to 3 days not being able to write, it's still fine. And then school starts, school work, then a lot of other things, so it's been kind of hard to keep up with all of that. But today I was like, like writing is important to me. This book that I'm writing, it matters to me. I need to get some work done in it. So that's why I'm just going to start doing it. I'm just going to give myself like 10 minutes or something so that like I can at least start. Though I don't really feel that nice because of course that's why I'm in a block, right? I'm not feeling good to write, that's why I'm in a block. So yeah, let's try. I'm on the 11th chapter of it. And let's check the page count. Why not? So page count, I'm going to go to tools. I write in Google Docs, by the way, for any of you wondering. I write in Google Docs, and I think that's a good software to write. I actually like all the features that Google Docs have. Like everything you can get done in it. It's nice. Okay, so the word count till now is 12,359 words. I'm going to display the word count while typing. And at the end of this whole writing session, let's see how many words we can get in. I'm going to start a little timer as well, a stopwatch and some music. I like to listen to this music. It's a little French instrumental music. I don't know, it just vibes everything up. So yeah, let's get into listening to the music and write. Let's get to writing. Okay guys, so this is a little while later. I wrote for like 25 minutes and I accomplished to get past the boring part, and I don't think I've fully recovered from the writer's block, but I think that yeah, I did make some good progress by writing 400 words, and I am super proud of myself. Anyway, so now I'm going to finish another task, and honestly guys, I'm super exhausted right now. Like all the things that I've been doing and all of this past like this whole week's work. So basically yesterday I did manage to finish all my homework and stuff, so I don't have to worry about all of that. But I still, as I said, had to do a lot of other things, and I did check off a lot of things, the most important ones. So yeah, now I'm going to do one last thing, which is my daily math. I actually spend 45 minutes every single day solving extra maths because maths needs a lot of practice. So yeah, I'm just going to go and solve maths. I will not be recording that, and then I'll meet you after that. So guys, I just finished my math sessions. We have officially finished the day off on a good note, actually on a high note. Before I end this, I just want to give you guys a little message from me, a one-on-one message. Basically, if you are feeling that you are not able to be productive due to any reason, then I just want to say that maybe you need some rest. Maybe you need to reset your system. Maybe you need to pause, to rethink your systems, because sometimes pausing can be the most productive thing you can do, and so can be rest. So yeah, please remember that whatever slump you are in, whatever block you might be having, you will get through it. You just need some time, some rest, some systems, and you will be able to shine bright. Yeah, that was it for the video. If you like the video, then please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone you know who would like it. So yeah, that was it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.